What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now in today's video, we're actually not going to be working on the Civic. We're changing it up a little bit. I'm waiting on an Integra LS 5th gear kit to throw in my GSR tranny. Only issue is I ordered that 2 weeks ago and I just checked the website and it said that the ship time could be 2 to 4 weeks. So it might be a little longer before I make a video on that. But if you remember a couple videos ago, I said when we reach 500 subscribers, I wanted to make a couple quality updates and appearance updates to our channel. And the first thing that came to mind was it's probably about time we upgrade our channel art banner. So that's basically right above our logo there. When you go to our channel homepage, you have our YouTube banner. And right now it's just the Civic and the BRZ and some Minecraft action going on in the background because we are crafting cars after all. And for those of you who don't know, way back in like 2016, I actually posted Minecraft videos to the channel, so that's kind of where we got our name from. And anyways, I thought it'd be kind of fun that instead of making another digital banner, this time I drew it. I don't have a lot of fun colors with me today. I got Copic markers, pigment liner pens, and a mechanical pencil. And we're gonna see what we can do to make a new, fresh banner, celebrate, all these new subscribers we got, and yeah, spice it up a little bit. So we'll see how it goes. So when we take a look at our piece of paper here, I'm going to be drawing our channel artwork in this strip right here. I forgot what the exact pixel dimensions were, but I know that it is about 6 times longer than it is tall. And on a mobile device, you only see about this much of the image in. On a desktop, you get the whole strip of artwork, and then on a tablet, you get somewhere in between. So we're really going to focus on the center, put all the fun details there, since most of the people on YouTube are mobile users. And so yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start off this drawing by putting our channel name right in the middle of the image. I'm basically copying the same font off the logo that shows in the beginning of all our videos. Alright, so we got the easy part done. Now I think I'm going to add Gideon's BRZ, or a simplified kind of line drawing version of it, like this. Probably going to add it on the right side of the logo right here. We finished up the simplified drawing of Gideon's BRZ. Now I'm going to try to add my Civic into the picture as well, probably somewhere in this area, and I'll probably try to simplify it as well, and we'll just see how it goes. Alright, so we got a little cartoon Civic drawn there. I'm not sure what I'm going to add next, so I guess we're just going to go freestyle for the rest of it. Alright, so after some messing around, this is what we finally came up with. I added kind of like a sunrise effect in the background. You see you got a little dyno graph there, turbo, some little speckles in the background, little triangles, and like a new border effect in there. So kind of fun. I like the way it turned out. And by the time I post my video, I probably will have this channel art updated. What I got to do now is basically take a picture of it with my phone, crop out the center section there, get on my computer, and basically just kind of edit the format to get it to work onto YouTube. And yeah. So I went ahead, took a picture with my phone, cropped it, sent it over to my desktop here. Got it right there. Now I gotta do a little bit more editing to make sure that the pixel ratio is perfect, and we'll throw it into YouTube. This is what we came up with. Ta-da! Thank you. So I got it all formatted, put into YouTube here. This is what it looks like on a desktop, and then on a mobile device, it's gonna look something like this. Pretty freaking sweet. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. I had a lot of fun drawing our new channel art. You'll be able to see it right on our Crafting Cars page. If you like what you saw, or if you're like actually interested in watching this kind of content, I can do other art projects as well. I know I got one. Me and my sister are thinking about maybe painting the like a mural on the hood, the underside of my carbon hood on my Civic. So yeah, if you're into that stuff, just please let me know. And yeah, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.